Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you're fine and studying well. I'm Samir, and today I am going to teach you Social Science Semester 2, uh, chapter number 12. So, before going to start this lesson, let's familiar with this chapter. So, what you see in these pictures? You see in this picture is world map. This is the world map, and in the world map here is given here are given continent of the world. How many continent of the world? So there are 7 continent of the world: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. So among this continent, in this chapter you are going to learn first about North America, South America, and about Europe. About Europe. So now let's learn first about North America. So here you see the map of the North America. Your chapter 12 name is Continent North and South America and Europe. So the continent of North America consists of 3 countries. Here you can clearly see in this map. The first country yellow indicated is Canada. Second, it United States of America, and the third one is Mexico. So guys, are you all aware about America? आपने कभी अमेरिका नाम सुना है? आई होप शायद आपने सुना ही होगा अमेरिका का नाम, लेकिन अमेरिका की जियोग्राफी जानने का कभी कोशिश आपने नहीं किया होगा। तो हम इस चैप्टर में अमेरिका की जियोग्राफी, वर्ल्ड ज्योग्राफी जिसे बोलते हैं, वो हम जानने का प्रयास करेंगे। वहाँ की क्लाइमेट, वेजिटेशंस, वाइल्ड लाइफ और वहाँ के लोग, वहाँ पे भी लेक्स, गल्फ and others tourist places are available in other countries, and what is the exact geographical locations as well as like India, America also. So India is the part of the Asian continent. Now the America has divided into the 2 continents, North America and the South America. So the North America consists of 3 countries. Yellow indicate Canada, United States of America, and third one is Mexico. So suppose to ask in your exams, how many countries consist of North America? So first one is Canada, United States of America, USA, and Mexico. So I am giving you first activity. Find out the capital state of these 3 countries. इन 3 कंट्रीज के कैपिटल कौन कौन से है वो आपको ढूंढने हैं, फाइंड करना है. So it is spread over 2.44 lakh square kilometer, covering almost 60% of land area of the world. The native of this land are known as a Red Indian. The native of the land are known as a Red Indians. The new culture of America has developed because of the European interrelations of the people. Now let's see the discovery of America. America was named after the Italian explorer Amerigo Vespucci instead of Christopher Columbus. कहा जाता है कि ढूंढा था क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस ने, लेकिन अमेरिका वेस्पुची के नाम के ऊपर से अमेरिका नाम हुआ, बिकॉज थ्रू कोलंबस फाउंड द न्यू वर्ल्ड. वेस्पुची वॉज द मैन हु रिकॉग्नाइज्ड इट्स अ न्यू वर्ल्ड. पहचाना था किसने? तो अमेरिको वेस्पुची ने पहचाना था. तो इसी के ऊपर से नाम पड़ा उसका अमेरिका. नाउ आप यहाँ पे फोटो देख सकते हैं क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस, ship with the sails, and Amerigo Vespucci. Due to the Christopher Columbus and Amerigo Vespucci's extreme curiosity, he traveled a lot and found a new way, found a new world. So that place is called America. So now let's learn and study about the North America. So have you seen the map of North America? So here the natural map of North America, and write in your notebook mountains, desert, island, lakes and seas. So see in the map how many Gulf, how many mountains, how many rivers, how many lakes are there in North America. You have to find out. So let me give you some names of North American rivers: Mississippi, Missouri, McKinney. Rich river flows from North America. So North America extend from Antarctic Ocean to Gulf of Panama, साउथ अमेरिका. नॉर्थ अमेरिका है जो कहाँ से कहाँ तक फैला हुआ है. उत्तर में यानी नॉर्थ में एंटार्क्टिक ओशन से लेकर नीचे साउथ अमेरिका तक का फैला हुआ है. नॉर्थ पोल पासिस फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ कनाडा. यानी नॉर्थ पोल जो है, नॉर्थ पोल वही है जो आपने चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में पढ़ा था, आपने चैप्टर नंबर 5 में. नॉर्थ पोल पासिस फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ऑफ कनाडा. इन द सेम वे द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, हियर इज द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पासिस फ्रॉम द मैक्सिको. जैसे इंडिया में हमारा इलाहाबाद से पास होता है, इलाहाबाद यूपी से पास होता है, वैसे ही ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर उत्तर अमेरिका में मैक्सिको कंट्री में से पास होता है. So tropic ocean pass through the Mexico. The North American continent is 9654 kilometer. American continent is 9654 kilometer long, and its width from North Canada is 6033 kilometer, which is when tapering toward the south reduces to 482 kilometer. As North America is wider than South, America, there are 4 standard time zones. So how many standard time zones in USA? So there are 4 standard time zones in USA. So here you observe the map and write down the following details of the North American: desert, island, lakes and seas and mountains. The northern half of the North America is sparsely populated and covered mostly by the Canada. उत्तर अमेरिका जो है वो कनाडा से में रहने वाली बस्ती से फैला हुआ है और वहाँ पे गीच है. Except from northern western portion which is the occupied by Alaska. नॉर्थन वेस्टर्न को बात करके वो ऊपर वाला जो एरिया है वो अलास्का से घिरा हुआ है. दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट ऑफ द यूएस. which is the largest state of the US and includes the enormous island of Greenland in North End. Actually, Greenland, nobody lives there because the Greenland is fully covered with the snow, and there is no agriculture, no vegetations are living there. Since this area usually covered with the snow, agriculture is almost impossible there. So when the last ice age ended about 1000 years ago, the glacier melted and formed North America 5 Great Lakes. दुनिया में 5 ऐसे लेक कहे जाते हैं जो शुद्ध पानी के हैं. There are freshwater lakes are there. हजारों सालों पहले ग्लेशियर का मेल्ट हुआ और 5 ऐसे लेक बने. उसका नाम है सुपीरियर लेक, लेक ऑफ सुपीरियर. द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक इज सुपीरियर लेक. Then Michigan, Huron, Erie and Ontario makes up the Great Lake system, and it provides fresh water to the North American peoples. The Great Lakes contain 1/5 of the world's fresh water, making them the largest system of the fresh water on the earth. The Great Plains lies in the middle of North American continent. The rivers like the Mississippi, Missouri, Mackenzie deposit the rich alluvium on its bank, thus creating the vast fertile basins known as prairies. Agriculture is the prime occupations of the regions. Wheat is grown in plenty in this region, and it is popular huge production of wheat all over the world. 2 chains of mountain ranges rise to the east and west of North America. Which are 2 mountain ranges change? Supposed to ask you which are the mountain ranges change? The 2 chains of mountain ranges chains rise to east and west of North America. The most familiar of these mountains are Rockies. Which कौन सी माउंटेन है? जब आप जैसे हमारे इंडिया में हिमालय है और नॉर्थ अमेरिका में कौन सी है? रॉकीज. North America's largest chain in the west and the considerably order Appalachian Mountains to the east. The tallest mountain peak in the United States is Mount McKinley in the Alaska Range. Alaska Range McKinley जो पर्वत है वो सबसे ऊंचा है. The wildlife of North America is diverse and includes animals such as the reindeer, seal, walrus, white bear, etc. Now let's see the climate, vegetations and wildlife. So how about the climate? How is the climate, vegetation, wildlife of the North America? Weather varies dramatically across the North American landscape. Climate ranges from Arctic cold to the equatorial heat. Precipitation and temperature levels modulate dramatically depending on locations. In many areas of North America, the climate is extremely cold and dry. ऊपर नॉर्थ पोल में ये स्थित है, इसीलिए वहाँ पे ठंडा और सूखा प्रदेश ज़्यादा है. This is known as the tundra type of climate, which span from most of Greenland to the mountains of Alaska to northern Canada. Central America and southern Mexico has tropical hot and humid climate, while coastal areas experience heavy rainfall and moderate climate. Severe weather in the form of thunderstorm is normal spring and summer occurs across North America. devastating tornadoes are also common in spring summer months, especially in the central part of US. Deadly tornadoes devastate life, property every time tornadoes strike in the USA. ये टोर्नेडो जो है वो तूफान है, वो तूफान आता है और बहुत सारी तबाही करके चला जाता है. सो यहाँ पे माउंट मैकिनली अलास्का एंड रेडियर का यहाँ फोटो दिया हुआ है. द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट द माउंटेन ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका. देन here the plains of Paradise, river Colorado, Grand Canyon, Niagara Falls, volcano of Popocatépetl, Mexico, and mid-torrid forest of North America. Seal, whale, cod, white bear, and wolf vegetations, wildlife are seen in North America. The Great Plains of North America are also home to rich deposit iron, coal, mineral, oil, natural gas, copper, gold, silver, etc. क्योंकि वहाँ से मैदानी जो विस्तार है वहाँ से गोल्ड, कॉपर, नेचुरल गैस, गोल्ड, मिनरल सब वहाँ से मिलते हैं. इनफैक्ट यूएसए रैंक्स फर्स्ट इन मिनरल डिपॉजिट इन द वर्ल्ड. सो आपको यहाँ पे स्टडी करना है एक मैप और आपको आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. So you have to answer these questions. Which countries are there in this continent? So study this map. So I hope you understand till then here. So now we will learn in next video about Canada and South America, climate, vegetation and wildlife, agricultural, minerals. Okay. So thank you.